79-year-old Geoff Campbell isn't your average aged pensioner.
I've tried to retire 5 times and I'm not very good at it.
With the cost of living soaring, he set up a mowing franchise to supplement his pension.
A lot of people are at home worrying about where their next loaf of bread's coming from. This, I found, is certainly a solution.
From next Monday, it'll get a little easier. Aged pensioners will get an extra $37.50 per fortnight for singles, $56.40 for couples. And under the income test, they can earn $300 per person every fortnight, known as the work bonus. But it's a balancing act.
You really need to pause and sort of reflect and say, look, is this worth it?
Financial planners warn too much extra income could impact pension benefits, like cheap pharmaceuticals and public transport, and a raft of other concessions.
A good rule of thumb is, 1 day worth of work is okay.
The pension's reviewed every 6 months, and while a boost is always welcome, there are concerns it isn't topped up often enough to keep pace with the rising cost of living. Which is why it's so important you access everything you're entitled to. And you might just find a new labour of love.
Everyone's in charge of their own destiny.
Even at 79. Kay McGrath, 7 News.